Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix the issue with Fortnite. You got the error, Windows cannot access the specified device error. Let's fix it guys. You just need to open up Epic Games, click on library and click on three dot icon next to Fortnite and select manage and select open install location. Open the Fortnite game folder, binaries folder, Win64 folder. You just need to scroll down and find Fortnite logos over here. Right click on it one by one and select properties. Select compatibility tab. You just need to uncheck all these options over here guys. After unchecking it, select apply and OK for save changes. Do the same thing for other Fortnite logo as well. Uncheck all of these and select apply and OK. Uncheck all of these and select apply and OK. And after doing this, you just need to open the Fortnite client Win64 shipping.exe file. You just need to run it. And your problem has been fixed guys. The game opens up without having any problems. And I hope this video helped you guys. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like guys. You can also subscribe me and support me guys. Thank you.